Hello everyone, good day and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, thank you so much for clicking to stop by, and to my old subscribers I say thank you so much for sticking with me. So today I'll be doing a hair tutorial, a DIY hair tutorial. It's more like a kind of kinky curl with the use of hair extension, and in this video I'll be using expression hair extension to achieve this hairstyle I want to make. Just watch closely, I'm sure you're going to enjoy it. Alright guys, so if you're here to subscribe to my channel, please click on the subscribe button down below. Click on the bell icon also so you get notified whenever I get to post a new video. And if you enjoyed this video at the end of the day, please give it a huge thumbs up, comment, share with your friends, and most especially please do subscribe. Thank you so much. Okay, we'll also be needing this baby wool just to tie around whatever I want to use. I'm making use of this stand. You can make use of a chair or something that you can just tie this wool to, like you see in the video. So just tie it around. Then I'll also be making use of bobby pin, and then this band, hair band, just in case my bobby pin is not enough. Then also my straw, and then my hair extension. Those are the few things. They are very easy things to get. You can get it in your local beauty store. So that's what we will be using for this tutorial. So guys, I noticed that due to the fact that the hair extension is black and my background was black, it was not really showing. That's why I had to use another background so you get to see the process. It's very easy, very easy from the video. Just follow the process in the video and you'll be able to achieve it. So for now, I'm just getting into trying to put the attachment or the hair extension in the form of weft before I start the main process. So after doing all of that, I picked out 4 pieces of the hair extension, placed my straw on top of the hair extension. Then what I'm just doing is I'm twisting and turning. It's that easy, just twist and turn, twist and turn. I'm doing it slowly so you just get to grasp whatever I'm trying to show you. It's very easy. Just keep twisting and turning. Then when you get to twist like 4 times, you hold on to it, then use your bobby pin to secure it so it does not get to loosen after some time. After securing it, you continue with the process. You twist and turn till you get to the end. So you just have to continue to twist and turn till you get to the end. Then you use your band to secure the bottom. You can also use your bobby pin to secure it, but because I don't have enough bobby pin, I use the bobby pin for the top, then for the bottom I use my band to secure it. So I'll be doing another one. It's just the same process. You twist and turn. Make sure you twist. That's the trick. If you don't get to twist and turn, it does not come out coily. You have to twist it and turn. I'm not just going round and round. I make sure I twist it, then turn it. I twist it, then turn it. Just as you can see in the video. It's that easy to achieve. Continue to repeat the same process till the hair extension is exhausted, and that's just it. You twist and turn till the very end, and then after that we'll go to the next process. But before that, we'll have to cut the thread we got to make and then tie it into a knot first so it does not loosen. I decided to divide it into two so it's not too complicated to handle. And then after that, what I'll be doing is that I'll be inserting it into hot water. You don't get to use the water when it's boiling hot. It gets to boil, but you leave it to like cool down a bit before you pour it into the hair extension, as you can see. So right now I'm just using my comb to like dip the hair into the hot water so everything gets in. I cannot use my hand now. And then after doing that, I just get to dry it a bit with towel, then leave it to air dry. After drying it, then I just get to cut off the bottom, as you can see in the video, cut off the band, and then also remove the bobby pin at the top. And then after that is just to remove the straws, to take out the straws, and then you get your curls. Yes, it's just so nice that you can get to achieve such curls with less than it depends on the size of the hair extension you are getting, but with at most 1,000 naira in Nigeria you can get to achieve this, which is like less than $3, I think. You get to achieve this very, very lovely curls that you can just get to fix on your hair. It's nice. I really, really love the outcome. It's something you can do yourself. Just get your hair extension, you get your straws and your bobby pin. I think that's basically it, as you can see. very easy, and it came out fantastic. I love the curls, I love the way it is. Please guys, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a huge thumbs up. So after everything, I just got to use my flat my stretcher. It's hot. I just use it to flatten the weft area to make it look flat, and that's basically it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.